Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll tell you the recipe I've chosen today is something that a lot of people requested when I asked what you want me to cook next in a post last week. And people want simple recipes, vegetarian recipes. A lot of you asked for lentils, which is dal, and I have got lots of dal recipes, but to be honest, there are so many more dal recipes I can share. So I've chosen one which is season appropriate, and it is toor dal with mango. So it's popularly made in India in the mango season, and everyone, north, south, east, west, and in the middle, people have variations of this same recipe. I shared this recipe in my book Chetna's 30-minute meal, 30-minute Indian, which is a book packed with meals that are ready in 30 minutes, and I tested them all, so they do cook in 30 minutes or under, some of them. So yeah, I am cooking toor dal with mango today. So let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button for a notification, and let's do this. So for this recipe, I'm using a pressure cooker, but I'm telling you what the alternative is, so you don't have to ask this question. It'll save you time. If you don't have a pressure cooker, it just makes cooking faster. So which is why I'm using it. We cook all lentils in pressure cooker, and that is just makes life easier. If you don't have that, that's fine. You can use a normal pan, and I'll tell you how much time it will take in a normal pan. So I have got here some toor dal, which I have washed, and I'm going to start cooking. So I have got here 200 grams of toor dal. To this I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next, a liter of water. So that's our liquid ready. Now when the mango season starts, you can find these small raw, rock solid raw mangoes in Asian shops. That's what we are looking for. So these usually obviously just come in season, but they will be around in Asian supermarkets, you know, for at least 5-6 months now, starting from now. In case you can't find this you don't have a supermarket near you, Asian supermarket, that's fine. You can buy, I'll show you. You can buy a normal mango from a supermarket. Now this one is ripe, so this is from a local supermarket. This one is ripe. You don't want to buy a ripe one, because usually when you go to supermarkets, regular supermarkets, their mangoes are rock solid. That one is a good mango to use for this dal as well. So now I'm going to just peel and slice them up. And I'm just chopping it up very finely, or just kind of roughly, to be honest. Who am I kidding? Right, this goes into the dal as well. And now I'm going to cook this in the pressure cooker till I get 2 whistles. But if you are using a normal pan, you can put exactly all of these ingredients in a normal pan, just like here. That is going to take around 30 to 35 minutes to cook in a normal pan. So when you cook with pressure cooker, sometimes the liquid comes out, which is fine. I've let the steam come out, and I'm just going to use a potato masher. Look at that. Just mash it all up so it becomes slightly thicker. I don't like very thick dal, unless it's a specific recipe that asks for dal to be thick. And also, once this cools down a little bit, it becomes thicker on its own. Right, so I've just mashed the soft dal and the mango. There's still a bite to it. Now I'm going to prepare the tadka. Just going to get some ghee in a pan. You can keep it vegan by using oil. I think ghee adds its own charm and flavor to the dish. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Let them pop. Look at that. A teaspoon of cumin seeds. And I'm just going to slit a couple of green chilies. Keep an eye on this. Once it starts to turn golden, turn it off. And with the heat turned off, I'm going to add the chilies. And also a teaspoon of red chili powder. This is off the heat. There is enough heat in the ghee that we don't need any more. And this goes on our dal, mango dal. It smells really good. Just the mustard and cumin with the chilies just kind of lifts the whole thing up, and it really is needed to bring that mango dal to life. So do not skip that. Obviously the ghee adds its own flavor. This is usually a dal which is made a lot in the summer to beat the heat. So it's not very thick because you're trying to eat light. The temperatures are very high and these are quick to make. So people are not spending too much time in the kitchen as well. Oh, I can eat bucket loads of these. Buckets. I can eat bucket loads of this dal. Absolutely so delicious. There's got a little bit of sourness from the mangoes, the heat from the chilies, and it's just right. It's just perfect. You can still see like a little piece of mango in there, which is not completely mashed up. All you need is a little bit of rice, not too much, and this is perfect summer food. I hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe. For all those asking for written recipes, you can check out my book, Chetna's 30-Minute Indian, and I'll see you back here for another recipe very soon. Bye for now. So good, guys. So good.